Welcome, number lovers. Today, we're counting our way through some of the most important numbers in our lives. From 1 to 10, these numbers pop up everywhere, from how many apples we eat to how many fingers we have. So let's count together and have some fun. Ready, set, go.
1 is the first number. I have 1 apple, and it's so shiny that I might just put it on display instead of eating it. 1 is great because it's simple. Just one of something, like one best friend or one piece of cake. But we always want more cake. 2 is the second number. She has 2 dogs, and they look like they're plotting something together. 2 is perfect for pairs, like 2 shoes, 2 eyes, or 2 scoops of ice cream. Double the fun, double the trouble. 3 is the third number. There are 3 chairs, but I only need 1 because I don't have 3 heads. 3 is the magic number for things like fairy tales, where everything happens in threes. It's also the number of times I say, just 1 more minute. 4 is the fourth number. I see 4 kangaroos, and they're all hopping along. 4 is great for balance, like the 4 legs of a table or 4 wheels on a car. It's also the number of times I hit snooze in the morning. 5 is the fifth number. There are 5 kids, and I bet they're all friends. 5 is special because it's on our hands, 5 fingers to wave, high five, and hold cookies. It's also how many times I check the fridge for snacks. 6 is the sixth number. The box has 6 green eggs, and I love to eat eggs for breakfast. 6 is the start of a little too much, like 6 donuts or 6 extra minutes in bed. It's also the number of times I hear, "Are we there yet?" on a trip. 7 is the seventh number. There are 7 days in a week, but Friday is the real MVP. 7 is lucky for some, especially when it's 7 cookies. It's also the number of times I rewatch my favorite movie scenes. 8 is the eighth number. I am 8 years old, and I am excited to eat my birthday cake. 8 is fun because it looks like a snowman lying down. It's also the number of times I try to explain something before someone finally understands. 9 is the ninth number. There are 9 balls, and I am going to play billiards with my friend. 9 feels like it's almost there, just 1 step away from 10. It's also the number of times I try to balance things before they fall. 10 is the 10th number. There are 10 ducks swimming in the water. 10 is like the grand finale of numbers. It feels complete. It's also the number of times I say, "This is the last chip," before eating another.
And there you have it, numbers 1 through 10, the building blocks of counting and fun. From apples and oranges to chocolates and fingers, these numbers are everywhere. So, what's your favorite number? Thanks for counting along. And remember, math can be fun when snacks are involved.